Hi, this is Josh Gunzo. Today we're going to be doing some Pokemon Go. As I said in my last two videos today, we're going to be doing some of these. So hope you guys enjoy. Leave any comments if you have in the comment section below, and leave a like. That would be nicely appreciated. So we're going to keep this is like close to where I live, so we're just taking a little stroll. Technically, we're going to take it around the block, sort of. So we're going to see if we get any luck. It looks like we got no luck right now. I did say I'll show you guys some of my Pokemon. So I got Vaporeon, I got Venomoth. Well, you guys can see him. I'll give you guys time to look at him anyways. So those are about all the Pokemon I have. What else? These are like the items. I'm still not level 12 yet, but I'll get there one day. Well, not one day, but soon. I'm already halfway to level 11. I got some Lair modules. I got, let's see, our eggs too. Let's check these out. Still got a little while. I guess we'll hatch them on the way, hopefully. So, check the Pokedex. We don't got no money yet, though. Let's see if we can catch anything. It looks like there's nothing around here right now. No luck so far. Doesn't look like I got nothing. Huh? Motorcycle, yeah. We got mostly no luck. All I've got nearby is a rat. But nothing useful. Nope. Huh? Yes, it is. Looks like we got a bird on there. That's a bird. We're gonna try to get some luck. Oh, look at that. We got 2 Pidgeys somewhere around here. It's probably in somebody else's yard. There's a cornfield back there, but I bet they load the Pokemon in there. Still got nothing else nearby, but we'll see if we get lucky. Doesn't look like we're gonna have any luck for a while. It's probably over there. We still only got those nearby. We'll end up getting into something, hopefully. Ugh. We still only got Pidgeys and rats nearby. They're probably in the yard. Nothing. We'll probably end up coming to something. Oh, look at that. Huh? I don't got Minecraft on this one. It's the other one.
Oh, okay. You can delete apps off the other one and download that same recorder.
True.
What's you have the NBA game?
Then you mean
Basketball game?
No, I got the baseball.
Oh, baseball. You can do videos for that.
Yeah. I'll probably do some other videos on here. I'll be doing some more like when we go like downtown and stuff like that. Probably be doing like when I go like in the city or something, because that's where like Pokestops are and stuff like that. We got no look around here. If we were in the car, that's different. Look in there. You can see something moving.
Huh?
You see something moving in that little rock. Still got none of luck. Still got nothing. Watch it. Oh, looks like we got some for our first. Still trying to get used to these curveballs. Hold up. Last try. Okay. No more curveballs. Man, I'm not doing good today. Yeah. Okay, got him with the curveball.
I'm sure there's Pokemon, I can't see it.
I bet your thing don't work, so there probably is. Caught Nitro in, at least. Can't evolve nothing yet. Looks like we earned a medal. 50 poison type Pokemon. We got an Eevee nearby, which we really need those. If you guys can. Huh?
We'll stop recording once you get right there.
Down there?
Up here, because you have to bring the email.
Oh, true. Should I just stop commentating?
No.
Should I just stop talking for a minute?
I would stop recording.
Okay.